Borlang Pher Forest Asaiki Borlang Pher Case A Arula Pen Ratchalang Pet Pen Kang Hua Theng Pikinep Dun Long KSA Lapen ASDC Chilang Pet Pen Aduya Hoi Along Kahum Ridam Niraj Chopra Pen Tokyo Olympic along India Adit Apharman Kichengsi Ser Anong Ichipalong Dun Karbi Anglong Arlo Padunram Himpi Kanghua Birta Ke Arjulong Verlo Lason Thak Taxi Niphai Trok Arni Ada Prin Prele Apor Borlang Pher Forest Arlo Thengpi Kanghua Tum Thengpi Ke Ponji Po Ahut Borlang Pher Forest Asaiki Borlang Pher Case A Lapen Rat Atom Chilang Si Thengpi Gari Pen Pen Thengpi Nepdun Cheklo Pusi Birta Long Dun
Cerap Cetu Dun Lo Lasi Labang Solong Ongdung Lapson Si Media Tami kakawar we labason doti lasi pini nang tumapan kacohang pon ladak on the spot along ground report nang tumapan nang ke Indonesia pan seladak nampiang bong mati isi tukong nampiang bong same nang tumapan cohang pon lo ladak borang third check post along pen ladak kilometer truck ni susi akeh lo dolang tami nang tum pedap ada papor ladak mesin pen nang tum ladak labang so report nang ke Indonesia port juru piglo labang so report pen ajok lapason se rat tumapan hokalam pacetak longpo je kanghu kang hiat tum penajo ni si ilitum update along ilitum along rialong hengpit hengprang abang ke ani wang stame nang kombom lo lapen nang acham dambom lo lapen ajo ni si ilitum ladak isi global warming ladak isi akehin nodak ason si prang ke bang jia bang ke ilitum apan ang tek nang klang bom lo desila bang solong ilitum kadu ka we rat gadon same kacera pacitu nang kenang sot tapenan pertama ilitum social organization hamthang organization doan tempen tapenan pertama media tempen ci ikling pen ilitum labang so kang sia sai kapai we pom deji phan ilitum hok asai ilitum deng konang imbusi nilihin pen kadu we pan same tunang rilo lapan labang so kang hukang hi asai kapai we pom deji phan KEC pen ladak sodak pen isi aron beng ponangji ladak department hin pen DFO tempen lapon sila bang so asai ke klempon anso se pangching ponangji lapen abang so ke nep long pen lapen adhora long dun lo polotang te kelo bang kelejasi latumapan agari lapen athengpi lapen munit jong se nep long polotang te munit aphanan sami litum arona teng pen kang hungkang hia case ladak isi adhara rondo labang so adhara rona teng pen pabon selang mapan jel thaponangji lapen gari lapen thengpi hayu sami pasis ponang sendiri hin pen kadu ko biara daphan lapen non media no nang tumapan tni dun lo kardong
Admission opens for Arts and Science stream at Global Junior College of Tundong Nambakalya Karbi Anglong. Global Junior College offers more facilities like playground, library, computer education, less fee structure comparison to others, and it also provides laboratory for science stream. Learning benefits like creative education plan, helping good environment, loving and caring atmosphere, wide and varied curriculums, surprise activities. And for more information, contact 600783490/8638165568.
Student associations visited Makoiram. The reason why we have visited this place is that we got information that the people from Meghalaya was about to establish a mobile tower in this territories. Today, why the people of Meghalaya or the government of Meghalaya are taking a step or taking a measure to because destroy the mobile tower here in Makuirang in the border area of Assam. The reason is that the government of Assam and the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council have failed to develop and failed to protect the border area of Karbi Anglong. That's the reason today the government of Meghalaya have got the opportunity to snatch away our land, and for that we the Karbi Student Associations will never accept, and we will always struggle until and unless our land are protected, our district, our land is protected, our district is secured from such kind of encroachments. And we also appeal to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, especially the CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, to take strong measures to protect our borders. Because he always used to say in every public meeting that Karbi Anglong land is intact and it has got still a 10,434 square kilometer. But if you see the reality here, if you visit the place, the border area, then you will come to know that half portion of our land are snatched away by our neighboring states or our neighboring people. So we the Karbi Student Association, the Team Karbi Anglong leader Sri Tuliram Ronghar to take strong measures to develop this place, because this place in border area there infrastructure are still very lacking, like educational and medical facilities, electricity, drinking water facilities. All these things are still lacking. So we appeal to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to take those measures as early as possible so that our border area is protected, or else if the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Councils fail to take such measures, then it's going to be very soon that we are going to lose half of our portions of our Karbi Anglong land to our neighboring district. And also, we condemn the give and take policy started by government of Meghalaya and government of Assam, that they want to resolve the border area, they want to resolve the border dispute through a give and take policy. We, the Karbi Student Associations, will never accept such kind of policy, and we will fight until and unless our land are secured, our land are protected, and also we, the Karbi Student Association, will save our blood, will give our blood, but we will not take even an inch of land to any our neighboring state, not in West Karbi Anglong, but also in Nagaland border area. We will fight to protect our land, and until and unless the government of Assam and the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council take strong measures, we will continue fight for the people of the border area, so that the border area people could live peacefully without any inhibitions or without any problems in the future.
Pinabirtay lapon sa kantong Pontiklon la igbom tami Hills News Karbi Anglong Kardom.